Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something really exciting, how you can use Grok AI to automate video creation and seriously level up your content game. Let's be real for a second. Making videos is not easy. You've got scripting, voiceovers, visuals, editing. It takes a lot of time and effort. And if you're trying to grow fast on YouTube, that can slow you down. But what if you could automate most of that process? That's where AI comes in. Now, Grok AI, developed by XAI, is mainly designed as a conversational AI. But smart creators are using it in a much more powerful way, as the starting point for full video automation. Here's how it works in a simple way. First, you use Grok AI to generate your script. Whether it's a horror story, a tech video, or a motivational topic, it can create a solid base in seconds. Next, you take that script and turn it into voice, using tools like 11 Labs. These tools create super realistic voiceovers, so you don't even need to record your own voice. Then comes the visual part. You can use AI video tools like Runway or Pika Labs to generate scenes, animations, or cinematic clips automatically. Finally, you combine everything, and just like that, your video is ready. This whole process is called an AI automation pipeline. And here's the crazy part. Instead of spending hours on one video, you can create multiple videos in a single day. If you're running a YouTube automation channel, especially in niches like horror, facts, or AI content, this can be a complete game changer. But let me be clear about one thing. AI can help you create faster, but it can't replace your creativity. If you want to stand out, you still need unique ideas and your own style. So don't just rely on AI, use it smartly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set this up, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.